So that's 3 species so far.
Okay, we just got a crappie.
Yeah. Crappie. In a pond.
9 inches.
In a pond.
In a small pond.
I had no idea there was crappie in here, first of all. And a bullhead.
Yep.
It's okay. It's okay. See, there it goes.
Just asking some air.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
There we go. Get back with more fish. We just got a carp. Small one.
I didn't get to hold my other one.
Hold it quick.
How do you hold it? Like just by the bottom?
You can just grab it.
I want to.
They cannot cut you.
Oh God!
Dude.
Oh! I got blood on me! Oh! Oh! I got blood on my sweatshirt!
You want to touch it?
Oh!
No, throw it!
Just put it in.
Throw it!
There it goes. Get back to it, more fish. Here's us releasing the fish.
Oh my God! I think the sharp one.
Are we coming back?
Oh my God!
Oh my bitch! My bitch!
Hey, I think I see him.
Here's a nice crappie.
Wait, no.
Hold on.
Take a video. You release
Hold on.
Okay, ready? Go.
Nice crappie. We're gonna release them. Didn't even know there was crappie in this pond. And
There it goes.
Spawn and make more crappie.
And sex.
Go ask her right now. Do it.